Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to play whatever floats your boat. It's a game in Roblox, as you can see. It's a pretty cool game. You can build something like this or like a big ship. It's not played very often. Today we're going to just build a boat and trying to kill as many people as we can. So what are we going to do is just place some foundations so we can actually swim, not just sink. Then we're going to just take a seed, stick it onto there, and basically this is a boat you could use, but it's not very good, as you can see. So we are going to take something like this, or like, yeah, more like this, and place it along the side of the boat so there's some armor. Can't be shot so easily, so we can still swim after a few shots. As you can see, it's about to begin. You can still build, but the others can shoot you while you are building. That is not good. So as you can see, we doubled the wood so we can float more easily. And now we're going to attack this guy here. It's gonna kill him real quick. Just shoot a boat until it's sinking. Yeah, he wasn't really a good player, as you can see. So he's definitely down. So there are more enemies. I think the ship would look really cool if it's finished, so we'll see if when he'll finish it. Anyways, so now we can, like, what can we do? So we definitely we could get, if we take this, accidentally sold the wrong thing. If we take the seeds and put it more on the front, we could potentially. So first thing we're gonna do is delete this. Then we're going to take the seed, put it like right here. Then we can take some, like 2 or 3 cannons. I don't like to spam those because it's like a no skiller. Just have to press Q the whole time. But yeah, and now we could shoot all 3 of those, and we could switch to the back one. So we could also get some more armor on the boat as well, so it can't be shot down. We can't sink so easily. So if we place one right here, like right here, can I still turn all the way around? Yes, I can. Could place right here. So now we have a boat that's relatively safe from being shot. So what we can do is actually we can just wait until the round starts. I think we should go on this small boat right there. Or we can go to this one because there are more people, and I think they are at the same time, so I guess we'll go on this one. Start driving there. So as you can see, you can shoot at all 3 of those. Just have to be close so it actually hits. Then we'll just go and fire. Fire off all the cannons at the people. Got one. As you can see, it's actually more fun if you have like friends and stuff, but my friend is not really good at English. It's actually the one that I linked in my info box, so it's 1 down, 2 down. They didn't watch out for me. Go backwards. Got another one. Just shoot at this one because he shot us first. Okay, we got him killed. I guess he attacked us, so it's not ours. It's not my problem. Go a little back so we can shoot more down. That ship is not surviving. Okay, go back. We can just, I guess, attack him. Kill him. I'm actually not that bad in this game. So... But I did play it. Haven't played it in a long time. Wow, this ship looks nice. We're gonna attack it. So nice, I wanted to attack it. Looks pretty modern, if you ask me. Oh, we killed one of the guys that I attacked earlier. He's not taking any damage. But we got 8 kills and we got killed 1 time. So that was a good round. We'll definitely want to attack this ship because it looks really nice and I want to see what it can do. As you can see, it should have wood right here, so it can float. Because the only way to float is with wood. So, but what we can do on this little ship, we can also do something like this. Because this is a good cannon. Shoots like a cannon, but it should be better. So we can actually see the stats right here. So this makes, okay, if we go on this one, it's actually the same. Yeah, I think it's mostly the same, I guess. So it doesn't make any difference, it's just cool, it looks cooler. Yeah, it just looks cooler, so I'm gonna take it. So, yeah, we'll just wait. Cuts. So, as you can see, it's rising again, so we'll just going to it. Oh god. So, he has another boat, I can see that. That's not good. Yeah, that doesn't look great for us. Where are you going? Or is it the same? No, it's not. But it still looks great though. It looks great, but it's still destroying me. And I don't like that. Oh my god. Yeah, my ship is going to sink right here. As you can see, we don't have a driver's seat right now. Yeah, we are going to sink. Except if we get just a little bit more wood onto here. Now we are in the wrong. Oh my god, those guys are shooting me. So we're just going to go up here to them and just... Oh yeah, didn't have the range. Yeah, my ship is definitely gone. So... Yeah, that was like one of those cannon spammers. I don't like them. And my camera is actually bugged, so we're just going to respawn. Oh god, I'm almost dead. Got him. Hit him one time. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we got destroyed. So we're just going to save this one. Or I guess we could just delete it because we definitely... Except we can just do a little roleplay. And we are trying now to defend this little thing here. Build it myself. I think it kind of looks okay. It's not finished. As you can see, it's pretty expensive. It costs like 28,000. So it's not really that cheap. But yeah, can just try to defend it right now. Just repair this one. Okay. Those plates we can shoot from here, but we can like just take them, put them instead on top. But I don't know if we can shoot that low, so What we can do maybe is put it at the bottom, like here, and then we can just jump out, grab onto that, put like some wood over here, so if we are in this one we can just turn around, jump on here, and maybe like get from here to here. Oh, I failed. Okay, so we just have to do like parkour or something, I guess. Like if we put it like right here and here, we can just parkour over here and on top of this one. So if we shoot like at here, we shoot like this. Oh, I'm getting shot from those idiots. Oh, I fell. Not good. We'll just go on this ladder. They are shooting my oil rig right now, so we'll have to defend it right now. Let's go on here. Shoot it. Got one. Where are the others? Ah, those guys are shooting me. Another oil rig, I guess. Got one. Just shoot it repeatedly. Oh, there is another ship. I guess I get more cannons on. Oops. Rotate it like this, and can we? Like this. Then just shoot them. Oh, we can't shoot below 15 degrees. I forgot. You know. Oh my god, I failed. Now I should be able to shoot him. Bro, is he... He's gonna drown down here. We just destroy. Oh, he left. So we defended the oil rig, I guess. So we gained some money from this. That's okay. Oh, my friend is actually online right now. So, oh, God. Wait. So, we're just going to climb on it again. So, we are just going to go one more, and yeah. If you like this video until this, yeah, just play it, I guess, the game. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, would really help me. I know I didn't got some videos in like the last 6 weeks or something, I know, but it's just really depressing if you won't make any progress. Like 4 views, it's like, yeah, I'm happy that four guys seen it, but like, yeah, it's just sad. So anyways, this ship looks really crazy, I do have to say. How much money that would cost. Wow. So the water's rising again. Do we have someone to shoot at? So we can shoot at this guy right here. Let's shoot. Yeah, like as you can see, he's one of those guys that just spam the whole time. Yeah, that's bad because I can't like move. Okay, now he's shooting just a pirate ship. That's that's not okay. Can you please die now? I'm gonna shoot. Oh yeah, that's not good. I don't like to shoot this pirate ship because it's actually pretty. Oh, I'm getting shot at as it seems. Oh, oh. I forgot I put something down there. I'll just go. We're getting shot at. Just shoot, I guess. I just shoot back. Okay. Think we're doing good damage. Got one down. Ah, he just shot my turret. I can just get it back. Guess it's not that big of a deal. Just shoot him. Just die already. Okay. Just go into the bottom turret. Okay, can't do anything, so just go. Oh, the water level is sinking. Oh, almost got him. So, I hope you liked this video. This was it from my part. Yeah, and we'll see you soon. Bye.